Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete photos from Facebook. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to delete a particular photo or your photo from Facebook, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Facebook application and go to your Facebook profile. On the profile, then you want to scroll down, locate and click on More option, then click on Photos. This is going to reveal all your photos for you on your Facebook account. To delete any photo, just go ahead and click on the photo. Now click on the three dots at top right. Then click on Delete Photo. And you spot that says Delete Photo. To delete the photo, just go ahead and click on Delete, and then you are good. Now to delete more photos, all you need to do is you want to repeat the same thing on all other photos you want to delete from your Facebook account, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to delete photos from Facebook. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.